Take a look at this elite channel, 1 million views on a single video. They are pulling in a massive audience, and the crazy part, you can generate these exact viral videos completely for free using AI. Today, I am showing you exactly how to produce these viral animations completely from scratch. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get started. First, grab the master text file, linked in the video description below, and copy everything inside it. Head over to ChatGPT, paste the entire text, and hit generate. The AI will instantly map out 20 unique, highly creative concepts for you to choose from. You can pick any idea you like, but for today's tutorial, we are going with example number 6, the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Once selected, ChatGPT will automatically write the perfect, hyper-detailed video prompt for this specific car. Next, open up Google Flow AI. Let's configure our workspace to get the best result. Switch your main setting to video, and then click on the Ingredients tab. Lock in the 9:16 vertical aspect ratio. Set the batch size to ×1. Make sure you select the Omni Flash model, and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Now jump back over to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt it just wrote for us, and paste it directly into Flow AI. Hit generate, and in just a matter of seconds, the AI will render a stunning, hyper-realistic masterpiece ready to go viral.